Hey guys, this is Ankit and welcome to the Google Cloud Platform Task Series. We will be going through a list of basic tasks to get ourselves familiar with the Google Cloud provider, that is GCP. We will be following the DevOps Engineer and SRE learning path, which is also available at cloudskillsboost.google/paths. You can always refer to my GitHub repository, which is thecloudterminal01/learn-devops to get more details. So today's objective is to get ourselves familiar with the Google Kubernetes engine. We have the following subtasks. First, we will check whether the relevant APIs are enabled or not. Then we will start a Kubernetes engine cluster. After that, we will run and deploy Nginx container via a Kubernetes resource type. Then we will expose that deployment via external load balancer type service. Finally, we will validate our changes by visiting the Nginx homepage, which will be available on the external IP. The total amount of time that we will be spending will be around 3 to 6 minutes. So let's begin. Let's start with the first subtask, which is to check whether the following APIs are enabled or not. First, we'll check whether the Kubernetes engine API is enabled. So we'll go to APIs and services, library, search for Kubernetes engine API. Let's check the second one as well, which is container registry API. So Kubernetes engine API is enabled and Google Container Registry API is enabled as well. Now in our second subtask, we will start a Kubernetes engine cluster. So let's open the Cloud Shell. The Cloud Shell is ready. Let's execute the setup commands. We'll export the zone as US Central 1A. Let's create the Kubernetes cluster using gcloud container clusters command. The cluster is created. Let's run the following command to check if we have 2 nodes or not. So we have 2 nodes and the version is 1.23. Let's run and deploy the following containers. We will deploy the Nginx container first. Let's check the pods. Okay, now the pod is running. Let's expose the deployment on port 80 by service type load balancer. So the service is getting created. In this case, we will also see the external IP, which will get created in some time. So the external IP is created now. Let's go to this IP address and validate our changes. We should see the Nginx homepage. That's it for today. See you in the next video.